Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from OpenPeopleSearch. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. On the OpenPeopleSearch website, scroll down to the bottom and click the link titled Remove My Info. On the Remove My Info page, click the Start button located directly below this section. You will be asked to select the state where you live from the drop-down box. In this case, we are choosing California for demo purposes, and then click Continue. Depending on your state of residence, you may be presented with relevant privacy law information. If this applies to you, simply review the information and click Got it, Continue to proceed. Next, you will be asked to verify your identity. Click on the plus sign to enter the information requested in each area like complete name, address, phone number, and email address. Then click Opt out my info. Confirmation of your opt-out will appear. Click Done. Congratulations on opting out of OpenPeopleSearch.com. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.